Hello everyone, welcome to Cadd. This is Amsa. Today I am going to explain about sweep. For that I am going to open components under model in place. In that casework, then OK. Here also we need to give a rename, or else directly you can give OK. Already we done the extrusion, blend and revolve. In that have any doubts means you just check it my previous video. Now I am going to explain about sweep. Here we have two methods, one is sketch path and one more is pick path. Now I am going to explain about pick path. So select pick path, select the edges and then give finish, and then select profile, edit profile. Go to the plus symbol is there now, that view. So go, here is right view, that's what I will go to the right view. You just make your required design. See, the red mark is there now, that is a start point and end point. After finishing the model, just give the finish. There is no unjoin and overlap is allowed. Then give once again finish. See, the model is created. For example, you need entire building corner, means select the sweep and edit sweep. Go to the pick paths, pick edges. For example, I am selecting all the edges. Trim corner, just this one, and this one, this one, here, and this one, and this one, and this one, this one. Then give finish. See, each side it will be created. Wait, I'll show you in realistic view. Realistic. Create, sweep and then pick path, select this pick edges and then give finish, and then select profile, edit profile, rotate little bit, and then here you can make your required design. Then give finish. After that, see, for example, you need half of the portion, means select the edit profile, go to the pick path, select the pick path and reduce the size. Select the path and drag this side. Then give finish. See, now I think you got it. See, like this. Okay, now this is the function of sweep. One more we have, that is sweep under sketch path. Select the sketch path. Here we need to go for the set a work plane, pick a plane. Okay, this is our plane. Then you just make it your required design. I'll make on simple design over here. Then give finish. After that, select profile, edit profile. Here also you just make your required design. Finish. This is the function of sweep. So that's it. Thank you for watching this session. Please subscribe and press the bell icon to get the updated notifications.